we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Gecau Handheld Car Vacuum. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include: high power and efficient cleaning. Equipped with a 120-watt motor, this handheld car vacuum cleaner provides strong suction power to effectively clean pet hair and food residues in your car. Say goodbye to dirt and debris with ease. USB rechargeable and long-lasting. Powered by a USB charging cable included, this handheld car vacuum cleaner offers quick and convenient charging. With a charging time of approximately 3 to 3.5 hours, enjoy extended operating time for thorough cleaning sessions. Versatile 3-in-1 nozzle design. The included brush nozzle and long nozzle head allow for versatile cleaning between conditioning vents, seat gaps, and small hidden corners. Customize your cleaning experience to suit different needs effortlessly. Washable and reusable. Featuring an upgraded thick washable filter, this car vacuum cleaner ensures reliable and long-lasting performance. Simply wash the filter with water and dry it for repeated use. Keep the collector functioning at its by regularly cleaning the filter. Portable and lightweight. Measuring at just 15.4 x 14.7 x 5.5 cm, this mini car vacuum cleaner is compact and easy to carry. Free yourself from the constraints of space and clean every corner of your car with convenience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.